Welcome to our lesson about working with multiple documents in AutoCAD. Let's start by creating a new document. We're going to use the default AutoCAD template for now. Let's click Open. To maximize the drawing window, double-click on the blue title bar. This document isn't yet saved, even though it does have a name, Drawing 2. So let's go ahead and save the document. Click the Save icon in the Quick Access toolbar. If you use a particular folder often, you can grab and drop it into My Favorites. If you want to rename the folder, just right-click and select Properties, and then type in your new name. I'm going to cancel out of this window. Okay, let's save this document as 18-D. Under Files of Type, we've got a number of different formats in which we can save our drawing. And let's click Save. AutoCAD also gives you an Autosave option. Click on the Application button. Now click the Options button. Go to the Open and Save tab. And check here for Automatic Save. You specify the number of minutes between the autosaves in this field. We can also create a backup copy with each save if you check this option. Let's click Apply to apply our changes and OK to close the Options dialog window. Now let's open a few more documents. I'm going to Shift-select these 3 documents. Let's click the arrow next to the Open button. As you see, we've got the option to open these documents as read-only. Let's go ahead and open the documents. You can switch between documents from Window on the main menu. Just scroll down and select the document that you want to switch to. You can also switch between documents by going to the Windows panel on the View tab. Click Switch Windows, and a list of your open documents flies out. The active document is marked with a check mark. We can also tile the documents horizontally and vertically, as well as cascade them, and the same options are available from the Windows panel on the View tab. The active document has a dark blue bar. You switch between documents with a click on the title bar. I've just closed 2 of my documents. Now I'm going to tile the remaining documents vertically. I can copy objects from one document to another. All I do is grab and then drag and drop to the next document. Now document 18D is the active document. Let's go ahead and save. And again, to maximize the document, double-click on the blue title bar. This concludes our lesson about working with multiple documents in AutoCAD.